Good morning, guys. Today I thought I'd share a what I eat in a day video as a Filipino nutritionist. I have my morning smoothie here. We just got back from a long trip last month, and since then, almost every morning I've been having this smoothie. It has a lot of the nutrients that I need for the day front-loaded. It has soy milk for protein, frozen banana, frozen berries, and kale for fiber, flax seeds and peanut butter for healthy fats, collagen for skin and joint support, and creatine for muscle and mental performance. For the liquids, sometimes I'll use coconut water if I wanted extra hydration, but most of the time I'll use soy milk since it's higher in protein. I'm not a regular breakfast person unless I'm on a trip and there's really good breakfast available. Otherwise, if I'm just at home, I'm just really not that hungry in the morning. I tried making breakfast a regular thing for me here, and then I realized later on that it just doesn't come that naturally to me. So sometimes I'll have breakfast, sometimes I won't. But I do like having nutrients in first thing in the morning, so the smoothie is really more functional than anything else. Although I have to say that it is pretty good. It kind of tastes like a berry milkshake, and it has around 25 grams of protein and 14 grams of fiber. So not bad. I do, of course, prepare breakfast for Jose, my 6-year-old. It's usually overnight oats, which is very Western, but it's just so convenient and it has all the good stuff. It has a mashed banana, oats, milk, chia seeds, peanut butter, and cinnamon. This was prepped the night before. I'm just waiting for him to wake up, then we'll have a nice, chill day together. Lunch is tapsilog, a classic. It's actually a popular Filipino breakfast, but I like having it for lunch. First, I'll cook the beef tapa. This is the beef I stored in the fridge last night. It's marinated with soy sauce, calamansi, a bit of brown sugar, garlic, and pepper. So this is lunch. Yes, we're having white rice. Sometimes white rice can get a bad rap around here since it's a refined carb and can raise blood sugar faster than whole grains like brown rice, but it's a staple in many Asian dishes and can absolutely be part of a balanced meal. We can reduce the impact of white rice in a few ways. First, control the portion size. This is just a half cup, not a full cup. Second, pair it with enough protein. This is covered by the egg and the beef, ideally the lean beef, not the fatty kind. And third, have a lot of veggies on the side to add volume and nutrients to the meal. Usually with tapsilog, the ideal veggies are the fresh ones like tomato or cucumber to balance out the strong umami flavor of the tapa. I just did 30 minutes of mat Pilates for core and mobility, and I'll finish off in the court with a bit of pickleball. So I recently started playing pickleball since a lot of my friends are into it, and I found that what really helps is playing with a high quality, comfortable paddle. I've been using this Joysent paddle, and it's really beginner friendly and not at all cheap or flimsy. It's USAPA certified, and it uses advanced materials like carbon fiber, so it feels really stable without being too heavy. It also has a wide textured surface, and it's lightweight with a comfy grip, which makes rallying a lot easier as you improve. If you're looking to invest in a good quality pickleball paddle, I'll link this one in the description, and you can use the code Kiara10 to get 10% off. So by this time, I'm not really in the mood to cook too much, so I'm just assembling some key things on a plate: sardines and a soft-boiled egg for protein, bread for carbs, and a quick veggie stir fry, and that's gonna be dinner. We try to eat some kind of fish every week, and sardines are super economical and high in protein and healthy fats and omega-3s, and it already has enough flavor as is, so I don't need to add a whole lot of seasoning. So here's our super quick dinner. Since I just exercised, the focus is on protein for muscle recovery. The sardines have around 30 grams of protein. The egg has 6 grams. The veggies have around 6 grams as well. And the 2 slices of brioche bread have around 5 grams. So altogether, that makes around 47 grams of protein. Just to give you an idea or an estimate of how much 47 grams of protein looks like on a plate.